Down power lines can happen at any time. You should assume all down lines are energized and deadly. So let's talk safety. If you see an overhead utility line on the ground, dangling, or looking out of place, please assume that it's a power line and that it's energized and very dangerous. Don't touch it or anything it's touching, like a tree branch, fence, vehicle, or even water. Stay as far away as possible. Immediately call 911 and then call us. Never pull tree limbs off power lines, and never go into areas with dense debris or downed trees. Power lines could be hidden underneath. Only qualified tree trimmers should trim trees around our power lines. Never ever attempt to pick up, roll up, or store power lines. You must always assume that they are energized and dangerous. Drones often capture awesome weather footage, but please don't fly them or other objects near power lines. If an object gets entangled with the power lines, do not try to retrieve it. Last but not least, do not drive over downed power lines. If a power line contacts any part of your vehicle, please stay inside and do what you can to keep others away until the line is removed and de-energized. Your quick action can save your life or even someone else's. Always assume all down lines are energized and potentially deadly. For more storm safety tips and information, please visit us at tampaelectric.com/storm center. Stay safe.